Picture this. Two people with the same job and income, but one ends up wealthy and the other struggles. What's their secret? It's not luck or magic, it's their mindset.
And that's exactly what we're diving into today, the millionaire mindset. I'm thrilled to be here to break down what separates truly wealthy thinkers from the rest.
If you've ever wondered how millionaires approach money, risk, and growth differently, this is the episode for you.
We're covering what defines a millionaire mindset, key habits to cultivate, how to overcome mental roadblocks, and practical steps to start shifting your thinking right now. Let's jump in.
So, let's pin down what we actually mean by a millionaire mindset. It's not just about wanting more money, is it?
Not at all. It's a way of thinking that emphasizes growth, self-belief, and seeing opportunities where others see obstacles. It's about long-term vision rather than quick wins.
That makes sense. People with this mindset often treat failures as stepping stones, not dead ends.
Exactly. They don't let setbacks define them. They learn, adjust, and keep moving forward. That resilience is a core part of their mental playbook.
You mentioned seeing opportunities. What's the difference between a scarcity mindset and an abundance mindset in this context?
Great question. Someone with a scarcity mindset believes resources are limited. If someone wins, someone else loses. In contrast, an abundance mindset sees potential everywhere. There's enough to go around.
That's such a shift. Suddenly you're collaborating, not competing, and you're not afraid to share or take chances.
Right, and that openness to possibility actually attracts more opportunities, almost like a self-fulfilling prophecy.
One thing I always notice with successful people is their attitude towards risk. They're not reckless, but they don't play it safe either.
True, they see risk as a tool for growth, not something to avoid altogether. They weigh the pros and cons, then make informed decisions even if it feels uncomfortable.
That willingness to get uncomfortable is huge. I've heard stories where millionaires say their biggest growth came from stepping outside their comfort zone.
Absolutely. Playing it safe rarely leads to breakthrough results. But calculated risks, that's where transformation happens.
It's funny because for many people, failure feels like the end. But with a millionaire mindset, failure is fuel.
I totally agree. Most wealthy thinkers see every setback as feedback. They ask, what did I miss? What can I do better next time? That curiosity is a game changer.
And it makes them more resilient. Each misstep just builds up their experience bank.
Exactly. They see losses as tuition. It's not wasted if you learn and adapt.
Let's talk about goals. Millionaires don't just wish for things they set ambitious, but clear targets.
Right, and they break those big goals down into actionable steps. It's not I want to be rich, it's I want to earn $100,000 this year, so I'll need to do X, Y, and Z.
That level of specificity keeps them accountable and motivated. Dreaming is just the start. Planning turns dreams into reality.
Exactly, and checking in on those targets regularly helps them course correct before they drift too far off track.
What surprises me is how much emphasis millionaires put on self-education. Formal degrees are great, but they never stop learning after school.
Absolutely. They read books, take courses, listen to other successful people, and adapt constantly. It's like they treat learning as an investment with unlimited returns.
And it's not just about money. Learning new skills or perspectives keeps them agile in a changing world.
Definitely. Continuous learning is a non-negotiable habit for a growth-oriented mind.
That actually reminds me, your environment matters too. Millionaires often talk about the importance of their inner circle.
So true. They deliberately build networks with people who challenge them, inspire them, and hold them to high standards. The old saying goes, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with.
And that can be both encouraging and intimidating, but it's a kind of accountability that accelerates growth.
Exactly. It's easier to level up when you're surrounded by people who push you to be your best.
Let's get practical. What are some daily habits that support a millionaire mindset?
Morning routines are big. Many journal, meditate, or set intentions for the day. They also track their spending and review their goals regularly.
It's not flashy, but consistency compounds. A little progress every day adds up fast.
Exactly. It's the small, steady actions over time that create lasting wealth.
Let's be real. Most of us carry around some limiting beliefs about money or success. How do you start changing those?
Awareness is key. You have to catch yourself thinking, I can't, or I'm not good enough. Then challenge those thoughts. Where did they come from? Are they really true?
It sounds simple, but takes practice. Sometimes it means rewriting old stories we've told ourselves for years.
Definitely, and it helps to replace those doubts with positive affirmations or new beliefs that actually serve your goals.
Here's something people don't always expect. Many millionaires are big on giving back. Why is generosity such a common trait?
Because giving creates abundance, not scarcity. When you give away time, money, or knowledge, you reinforce the idea that there's enough and it comes back around in unexpected ways.
It also keeps you grounded, reminding you that wealth is a tool, not the end goal.
Exactly. Generosity connects you to your community and to a sense of purpose bigger than your bank balance.
So if someone's listening right now, feeling inspired but overwhelmed, what's the very first step they should take?
Start by shifting one belief, maybe about what's possible for you, or how you respond to setbacks. Then, set a tiny, specific goal and commit to a daily habit that supports it.
That approach keeps the process manageable. Change doesn't happen overnight, but small wins add up.
Exactly. And the more you practice, the easier it gets. Every new belief and habit is a building block for your future mindset.
Such a powerful conversation. Let's recap our top 3 takeaways. First, a millionaire mindset is rooted in abundance, resilience, and goal-driven action.
Second, habits like continuous learning, building strong networks, and daily routines are the backbone of lasting wealth.
And third, overcoming limiting beliefs and replacing them with empowering ones sets the foundation for real change.
So here's your action step. Pick one area we discussed, whether it's goal setting, self-education, or challenging an old belief, and commit to taking a small action on it this week.
Keep building that mindset, and you'll be amazed at how much is possible. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, wealth truly starts from within.
Thanks for joining us. Until next time, keep thinking and acting like a millionaire.